Hey guys, it's Teacher Maggie. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a different kind of slime. This slime is not as sticky, it's stretchy, and it's pretty vibrant if you use the right ingredients. You're gonna need liquid starch, and you can get this from Amazon. So liquid starch, and you're going to need some Elmer's glue. Clear washable glue. Make sure it's clear washable glue. And I have liquid watercolor, but you guys can use food coloring. And then lastly, I love glitter, so I put glitter in everything. If I can use glitter, I will use it. So, and the end product is this beautiful, stretchy, sticky, not as sticky slime. Yeah. So that's that. So let's start. You're gonna need half a cup of glue. Make sure you follow the instructions because you're gonna have to go like this. So half a cup of glue. That's half. And you're gonna pour it in your plates, in your bowl, if you will. So there's some glue. My dog's excited to see what I'm doing. She probably thinks I have food for her. And then here's some water. You're gonna need half a cup of water. Make sure it's half. Pour it in. So you're going to do that and mix it. So you're gonna mix half a cup of glue, half a cup of water, and then just stir. So you're gonna get this watery version of glue. So there's that. So now, this is the fun part. You can have your kids do it. You can add the glitter now. I'm gonna add all kinds of glitter because I love glitter. So I'm gonna put little specks of stuff in there. Make it a little bit of purple and gold. Add some teal. And then you're gonna mix. Looks like Mardi Gras in there. So there's that. And then I'm going to add teal watercolor. So I'm gonna make it pretty vibrant. So I'm gonna add a lot of that in there. I'm gonna mix it. Look how pretty that color is. Hopefully it comes out that color when we mix it up. So we got that going. Now we're going to take half a cup of liquid starch. Excuse the little dog barking in the background. So half a cup of starch. Poured a little extra, but that's fine. And then you're gonna mix. And you're gonna mix a lot. It's gonna get pretty stretchy and gonna look gross. But you're gonna keep going. Just mix. Now it's starting to get stuck everywhere. I know what you're thinking. It's like, I'm not gonna give that to the kids to play with, but you know, once all the ingredients combine, you get a pretty good solid slime going, and it's not as sticky as most slimes. So now you can put your fingers in there, and you're just gonna want to knead it. So this is where now you just start mixing the ingredients. So this is the part that's a little bit not so fun because it's a little bit sticky. You might want to do it outside with your kids. But seeing that now once you got it nice and mixed in, all the other stuff goes away. It's not as sticky. And there you go. It's not as sticky. But just keep knitting it, and it's going to turn into the other slime that we have over there. And just keep going. And the kids will love this stuff. And you will too, because it's not going to get everywhere. but I'd still keep it away from like fabrics and stuff. And then there you go. Now you got some slime. It's not getting stuck everywhere. And when you're done making it, when the kids are done playing with it, just go ahead and put it in a Ziploc. And store it away for another day. There you go. Hope you guys have fun with that and send me pictures or something. Tell me how much fun you guys had making that. Talk to you guys later. Bye.